Greetings to all of you, myself Mahek Bhutia, and if I have to talk about Mount, I have to say I had the greatest and best 7 years of my school life. These were the years I spent in Mount Litra from grade 4 to grade 10. These were the time I spent over there, and I have to say, whether it's academic, sports or any other co-curricular activities, I got the best encouragement and top tier support from all the faculty members and staff members of Mount Litra. If we talk about academics, then of course I improved a lot after coming into Mount. The LRs which we get in Mount Litra, they may feel like a burden to us, but actually they really help us a lot. It helps us in clearing all the topics from point to point. It does highlight the important points which we need. And of course, sports, which is one of the most fun part that every student wants. And thanks to Janak sir, the best coach, I have to say hands down, then because the way he supports and he encourages is the best. Even at all those sports event, it was the best, because earlier stage I was not that much into sports, but later on now I'm crazy for sports, and the results is in front of everybody's eyes that from last 5 years Mount Litra is the champion school, dominating in each and every, whether it's athletics or sports or team games. So yeah, and the co-curricular activities, Mount Litra provides the best support, the support which we truly need from inside to go further beside of studies also. It helps us to move forward in any other fields which we want. Unlike any other schools, which I feel like in Porbandar, it's just Mount Litra which gives you that level of support and does not just pressurize wholly or partly on studies. So yeah, it was a really great and fun time. I really miss being a Mount Litran. But yeah, all the best to all of you, all the Mount Litrans currently studying there. All the best and have a great time ahead. Thank you.